Hi, I'm Dr. Sanjana. In today's video, I'll be talking about COVID vaccination in women. There is a need to discuss about this because in India we are noticing a huge gender gap when it comes to COVID vaccination. What does this mean? It means that more and more women are being left behind when it comes to COVID vaccination in our country. Though the reason behind this could be multifactorial, one of them is definitely that a certain set of women or certain vulnerable groups in women are hesitant or fearful of getting themselves vaccinated. So in today's video, I'll try to talk about the 4 distinct groups who are fearful or hesitant to go for a COVID vaccination. The first one is pregnant women. How safe is it to go for COVID vaccines in pregnancy? All the scientific bodies, including WHO, the FOXI, and the RCOG, have come forward and told and conclusively stated that COVID vaccination is safe in pregnancy. In fact, since pregnancy is such a special situation where a pregnant woman is more prone to any form of infection, and a COVID infection more so can lead to premature delivery. So if you're pregnant, please kindly go ahead with COVID vaccination after consulting your gynecologist. The next group is the breastfeeding group or the lactating mother. So there is a common fear that COVID vaccines would lead to transmission of virus to their child during breastfeeding. None of the vaccines which are being used are containing live virus. There is no chance of such thing happening. Moreover, if you're a breastfeeding mother and you end up getting vaccinated, you would develop a lot of antibodies which can be passed on to your child via your breast milk. So if you're a breastfeeding mother or a lactating mother, irrespective of the age of the child, please go ahead and get vaccinated. The third group, that is the menstruating women or the menstruating girls. So the common myth is that you should not get vaccinated during your periods. So there is no such scientific evidence or truth behind this assumption. Although you might feel more fatigued and tired during your periods and might be a little hesitant to go for a COVID vaccine, it is completely safe to go and get yourself vaccinated during your periods. So in case you happen to have your vaccination appointment on the same day as your periods, kindly do not hesitate and just go and get yourself vaccinated. The last group, that is the last myth, is that COVID vaccines can make you infertile or can hamper you having a child in some way. So again, this is only a myth. There is no scientific evidence or truth behind it. Since the vaccines work by generating something called as an antibody response in your body, which has nothing to do with reproductive functionality. So if you're a couple who's planning to have a child in your near future, there is no need to be fearful about getting vaccinated. Please go ahead and whether you're a man or a woman, the family, just get yourself vaccinated. It is completely safe. Vaccines are not known to cause any form of infertility. So lastly, vaccination is a personal choice. It is voluntary, but time and again we have seen that any sort of a medical public health problem can be solved only with aggressive vaccination. So kindly stay safe, be aware, continue wearing your mask, maintain social distance, and get yourself vaccinated at the earliest possibility. Thank you.